Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and today on 3D Metal Model News, I'm coming to you from a random backyard in the Carolinas. It's going to be on my way back to my house today, but some things came up, got those settled, so we're going to try again tomorrow. But real quick, 3D Metal Model News, still want to make this video. There's still waiting, there's nothing new on the coming soon page at Fascination. Still waiting on the Looney Tunes models to become available. However, it looks like the ICONX Peacock is now available and for sale. You can find it at your toy Mart. I'll put a link in the description down below, and they've also posted a picture of the metal sheet, which is very colorful, so that's very exciting. That's now available for you to pick up. And also an interesting bit, thanks to Codewookie on Instagram, who's posted a picture of some more Disney exclusive bottles. Trash cans are now available. That's right, you heard me, trash cans. Apparently there is an interest in themed trash cans at the park, and Metal Earth and Disney have gotten together and decided to sell some buildable Metal Earth model trash cans. It looks like there's 4 available, probably exclusive to the Disney stores, but of course you can search on eBay. A quick search did find a couple, but I'm not too clear on the details of that. But that was a very interesting find this week when I was browsing around. It doesn't appear to be anything new from Peace Cooler Tenyo coming soon, and a quick look on Aliexpress doesn't show anything new or interesting either, so this week's news is pretty short. I hope to be heading home tomorrow, where I will pick up and build some more models and do some more build videos. I did have one video that was almost complete. I brought it with me thinking I would have the time, but I forgot a file and really didn't have the time. So hopefully as soon as I get back early next week, I'll be able to have at least one video up, and at least some of the some of the Megatron video, and I need to order another one of those as well and have that shipped on the way. I'll leave it at that. As always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned next week for the next 3D Metal Model News and anything new I can find out there, and keep an eye out for upcoming build videos. As soon as I can, I will bring them to you. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.